Hi there, today we will walk you through the team project management. Basically, admins and managers can view and manage all team projects. Choose one user and you can see all his projects. Click one of his project to go to the detailed info page. You can share, delete, and rename the project here. If you want to design the project, just copy it to your personal project. Managers can also choose a user and check all his projects. Click one of his project to go to the detailed info page. Share, delete, and rename the project here. Copy it to your personal project if you want to design it. See you next time.